Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Just giving you a quick update on the garden. I decided to video it this evening because I wanted you to see the lights. So this is it so far. This is my lights. I think some of the neighbours are having barbecues and stuff, so they're out in the garden enjoying this lovely, glorious weather that we're having. Okay, I can't quite remember what time it is, but I'll let you know as soon as I find out. Haven't got my watch on. Right, so the last time I did a video, I showed you the tomato trees and they're getting on really well. I think I should put let me have a look, see if I should put the flash on. Let me have a look, see if I can put the flash on. There we go. Yeah, so these are, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tomato trees out here, and the rest of them around the back. Some around the back. We had a barbecue on Sunday last week, so we put some of the plants behind here because we had all the tables and chairs and the benches and everything out. Right, so remember I had one shed here, that's gone, and then the other shed was over there, and now I've put it over at the back. And this is my new wooden shed that was leaned up against the wall in the last video. I'll put the link for the video in the description. So that's where this shed has gone now, and I'm loving it here. I'm going to move all the trees and put them back up at the front, and this is my little decorative space where I put all my little ornaments, and I've put some solar lights there so they come on every evening, and this little angel here with her harps, she was given to me and she glows. Let me turn that off and see. There we go. Just a quick look at how it glows. I'll put the light back on now. Yeah, so that's my little ornament part. Do you like my Buddha? Isn't he lovely? Rub his tummy. I got this from B&M. It was reduced. I think I paid £2 for it. And a friend of the family gave me that as a gift. And I got this from B&M as well. The boy and girl kissing. That was quite reasonable. I'm sure it was under £10. But when I saw it, I really liked it. So I thought, might as well get it. It was a good day for me because I popped out on my own. And I stayed out for a little while because I've been challenging myself. These are my pansies, are still going in the tyres. And these are the little bells. I've forgotten what they're called now, fuchsias or something. And this is my peppermint over here. And these are really trying to grow. They're funny old little flowers, but just leave them and see how they go. That's a bud there, but it was nice and big and open, but it just died out. And that's the balance of the pansies that's in this tire. And these are my little flowers. Got some peppers in here. That's beginning to grow. And that's some more mint. It was withering the other day, but I put it out in the sun, so it seemed to be building back up. Yeah, so that's the garden. That's the garden. I love my gazebo because when the sun is blazing, at least I can come under here and just shade, read a book or something. I normally watch your videos while I'm sitting under there. But winter time, I take it down. We take it down and we pack it away, and it's very easy to do. And I just put this table here where the shed was, because again, sometimes I sit here, especially if I'm cooking something, I need to be near the kitchen. So that's what I do. Taken down the umbrella, and apparently tomorrow is going to be absolutely fabulous as well. Yep, so I've got 2 more little sheds here. I've got to put these in the rubbish, but I've got 2 more little sheds here that I love. I've got a few bits and pieces in here. I think I'm keeping these. I'm not going to do anything with them at the moment, because I've got some important things in there. But I've lessened the load because I've completely decluttered. So yeah, and that's it. I might have a little bit more decluttering to do out of these little sheds, but they're not important right now. And that's it. But anyway, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel in order to receive notifications when I upload new videos. This is my line. It's a fabulous line. You just reel it in, it just reels back in on its own. And that's my little peg bag. It says sorting out life, one load at a time. And it's got the box of soap powder here that says suds. Yeah, so it goes all the way along here. So I just hook it along here, and then when I finish with it, I just take it off and it reels itself back in. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. You take care of yourselves now, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.